How does a democratically run organization perform agile development? Cooperatives, as an organic and relatively flat organization, require more buy-in during the decision-making process. Organic agile development addresses this need by including stakeholders, facilitators, designers, and implementers in the various stages of an iterative, problem-defining, and problem-solving process. The organic agile process starts with a brainstorming period where features are collected. During these meetings, it is best to avoid prioritizing in order to avoid stifling creativity. When capturing potential features, we use physical sticky notes or collaborative software such as ideaboards.com and mindomo.com. During the brainstorming sessions, all ideas are valid and no ideas are rejected. The aim of the session is to increasingly build on the ideas presented. Examples of brainstorming topics can be the creation of potential feature names, how the team will address identified features, or how you will address previously identified problems or risks. Mocks that are hand-drawn or created using low-definition mock software are useful during this time. Brainstorming can take place at the beginning of an engagement or at the end as a part of a retrospective. After brainstorming, we need to limit the amount of features that we focus on. We do this by making the must-have features a priority for the next 2 to 3 sprints. Initial estimates in the form of t-shirt sizes like small, medium, and large are useful here in order to fit the features into this sprint window. Also, when prioritizing, it is good to include some housekeeping tasks, such as paying down technical debt. Planning is about scheduling time and resources for the creation of tickets. When scheduling, we put must-haves first, and then we work out the logistics for having the right people on the planning calls. The act of planning often includes creating new tickets in order to solve problems that arise in previously created tickets. During these meetings, domain-specific jargon is used in order to define the problem space. This helps to cross-train people with the team and relieve some of the dependencies which end up causing blockers during implementation. The planning meetings are designed to support sprints that have a 2-week duration. Tickets are created in group meetings using issue tracking software like GitLab or GitHub Issues. The tickets are based on features and always list expected outcomes before they are considered ready for implementation. Everything that is needed to complete the feature should be addressed in the ticket. We use Fibonacci points to make estimations, with 1 being a task we have accomplished before and a 13 being an extremely complicated task that we have not accomplished previously. Every member gives an estimation, and we use the median of the group's estimates for the ticket. We treat user experience as a first-class citizen, which means we try to use a real designer whenever we can. We add high-definition mocks to the tickets if there are any visual components, and if the ticket is an API, we give examples of calling the API, such as a curl command. We try to get stakeholder approval on the mocks before we start work on tickets when possible. During implementation, we usually engage in pair programming on a remote shared pairing box. This reduces the blocker of having to set up individual machines while also allowing for more cross-training. We use a pull system for ticket assignment where individuals pull tickets that they want to work on instead of having an assignment system where work is assigned to individuals. We commit work into Git with a ticket number which automatically shows the commit in the ticket for future reference. When testing, we deploy to several environments such as dev, test, and staging, after which we then deploy to production. All of our features are independently verified by another member on the team. Our deployments into the different environments are triggered by accepting pull requests. These pull requests are based on branches and are accepted by their respective environment owners. For example, the product owner has the ability to accept pull requests for production. After a production deployment, the customers can then view the new features.